Hi, I'm Juliana.
And I'm Dorian.
And we are JD Cruzin.
We are a new travel vlog, another cruise vlog, post-pandemic here. And we're going to take you on our journeys here through the 7 seas. Probably only hit like 3 or 4 of those though. I don't think we need to go through all 7. We like to party on ships. We like to lay out, do all the excursions, eat, drink. We like to do it all. But we also are going to talk I'm going to definitely post some barbecue videos for sure.
And I'll probably post some makeup videos or parenting videos or, all the above.
So we'll give you a little bit of everything. We're going to give you some cruise hacks as we learn them here. We also have a travel agency, so you can reach out to us to book your next vacation. We will give you everything that we have regarding cruising, vacations. Please excuse my Chiefs content from time to time, but we are JD Cruzin. And again, we like to party on the ships. So if you see us on a ship, buy us a drink, let's dance, let's hang out. We also love to snorkel on these ships. So definitely give us a shout and a follow. Click that like, click that thumbs up. What is it? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up and the subscribe button.
Subscribe button, there we go.